Tools change abilities. Abilities change civilization. We use tools every day. Phones, computers, search engines, cameras, they seem like they just make life easier. But in reality, they are slowly changing our brains. Do you remember the first time you used a GPS? From that moment on, you no longer remember the roads. Because the tool is thinking for you. The smarter the tool, the easier it is to forget our own abilities. Before, to look up information, we had to go to the library. Now, we just type a few words. Our patience has gotten shorter, and our attention span has become fragmented. But tools also give us new powers. Now, in seconds, you can access ideas from all over the world. You can take photos, write, and create things that were once impossible. Each time a tool improves, it actually redefines the limits of what we can do. And when our abilities change, our way of life, our values, and even what it means to be smart change as well. So, tools are not neutral. They make you more efficient, but they can also make you more dependent. The question is, are you using the tool, or is the tool using you? Every generation is reshaped by the tools it creates. Tools decide what we can do, and silently decide who we become. Technology is not the answer, it's an amplifier. Technology is often seen as the answer to everything. Work driven by algorithms, life controlled by recommendations, even emotions managed by data. But technology is not the answer. It's an amplifier. It amplifies your efficiency, but also amplifies your direction. If the direction is right, technology helps you go further. If it's wrong, it makes you go off track faster. A camera amplifies beauty, but also vanity. The internet amplifies voices, but also hatred. AI amplifies thinking, but also biases. Technology is neither good nor bad. It simply amplifies our humanity. So the real question isn't, will technology replace humans? But, will humans stop making judgments? Technology can make you faster, but it can't tell you where to go. Technology amplifies everything, but the direction is always for us to decide. The future is not speed, it's structural change. Many people think the future is just about speed. Faster internet, faster deliveries, quicker AI answers. But what truly changes the world is not speed. It's when the rules change. In the past, to get famous, you had to be on TV. Now, a 30-second video can make you famous. Before, only companies could sell things. Now, anyone can open an online shop. This isn't speed, it's a new way of distributing power. Who can speak, who can earn, and who decides? It's all different now. The real power of technology isn't to make things faster, but to reorganize the old systems. In the past, the world was defined by location, where you live, what school you went to. In the future, it will be defined by connections, whether you can connect with the right people, the right platforms. So, the future isn't about running faster. It's about understanding first that the game has changed. Speed is only the surface. Structure is the direction. The future belongs to those who can read the new map. Technological progress is not linear. It's disruptive. Many people think technology progresses gradually. Phones add new features every year. Computers update little by little. But real change is often sudden. One day, someone invented electricity. The light turned on, and the whole world changed. Another day, the internet was born. Humans began to live in a virtual space. Another day, AI appeared. Humans realized that even thinking could be simulated by machines. Technology doesn't grow in a steady upward curve. It's a broken line. Calm, then boom, a leap forward. Each time there's such a jump, human life is rewritten. From carriages to cars, from typewriters to phones, from reading newspapers to looking at screens, each leap changes who we are. The future doesn't come in a straight line. It comes in sudden, disruptive jumps. Attention is the rarest resource of the future. Today, the world fights for your attention from morning to night. Notifications, short videos, pop-up ads, AI recommendations. Every one of them is shouting, "Look at me, click me, listen to me." You think you're choosing, but in reality, you're being pushed to scroll. Every day, we absorb more information than a person from the Middle Ages would see in their whole life. But our attention hasn't grown one bit. So, attention has become the rarest resource of this age. Those who can focus will create. Those who lose their attention will only consume. The strongest of the future won't be those with the most information, but those who can protect their focus. When you can stay focused in the chaos, you'll hear your own voice. AI can calculate everything, but it has no attention. Only humans can decide. What am I really looking at right now? The scarcity of the future isn't information. It's clarity. The one who can focus will be truly free. Technology changes behavior. Behavior reshapes identity. Have you noticed that the more we use a tool, the more we become like that tool? People who use cameras begin to see the world through the lens. People on social media start measuring their worth with likes. Technology is never just about function. It quietly changes how we act, and our actions end up changing who we are. When we get used to scrolling short videos, our thinking becomes shorter. When we take pictures every day, our memories don't stay in our minds but in the phone gallery. When you change how you do things, you're actually changing who you are. In the past, people were defined by their beliefs. Now, we are defined by our habits. AI doesn't force you, but it gently guides you, leading you to make new choices, express yourself in new ways, and over time, you become a different version of yourself. So, the real question isn't just, what tools are we using? It's, what are these tools making us become? Technology changes behavior. Behavior reshapes identity. True evolution is self-upgrade, not technology upgrade. We're always chasing updates. Phones need updates. Systems need updates. Even people need to keep up with the latest version. But we've forgotten. True evolution is not about upgrading technology, it's about upgrading ourselves. Technology can make things faster, but it can't make people more peaceful. It can save you time, but it can't teach you how to use that time. AI can write, draw, compose, but it doesn't grow. Only humans can change after a failure, a farewell, an insight, and become a new version of themselves. Technology upgrades the world, but humanity must learn to upgrade itself. You can have the latest device, but if your inner program hasn't been updated, you're still stuck. The true competitive strength of the future won't be about how many tools you have, but how quickly you can understand yourself. Technology upgrades the earth. Self-upgrade evolves civilization. The next evolution of humanity won't be a leap of machines, but an awakening of consciousness.